Welcome makers to Stage 5, the Swan's Wing Base. Just like in every stage so far, whether you're creating the Moon King or the Sun Queen, every Royal Swan begins the same way. In this stage, we'll begin building the foundation for the wings, the soft, structured base that supports the graceful feathers to come. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's get started. First, take 2 to 2.5 grams of white wool and about 0.2 to 0.3 grams of golden Angelina fiber per wing. Pull the fibers apart and blend them 25 to 30 times until they look fluffy, even, and lightly sparkling. Next, take a piece of white cardboard and draw a gentle teardrop shape about 8 centimeters by 4 centimeters. That's roughly 3.1 inches by 1.6 inches. This will guide the shape and curve of your wings. Cut it out carefully. Now, spread a thin and even sheet of your blended wool on your felting mat. Make sure it's large enough so your cardboard template can sit neatly on top with room to shape all around. Using your 40-gauge needle, lightly needle around the edges. Keep your needle straight up and down as this gives you clean, crisp outlines. Lift the cardboard off gently. Felt inside your traced outline. Then fold any loose fibers inward and needle them down to create a smooth, rounded wing shape. Now repeat the entire process with the same template to make your second wing. When you're done, check that both wings match in size, thickness, and curve. Symmetry is very important for this stage. After felting each wing, place them side by side and check their length and thickness. Each wing should be around 8 centimeters long, and that's about 3.5 inches and about 5 centimeters wide at the widest part. Beautiful work, makers. Stage 5 is complete, and your swan now has its wings.